Hello WordPress peoples. In this video we are going to talk about WordPress interactivity directives. So in my previous video I showed you what directives are, and now we will learn directives one by one. So in this video I'm gonna explain first directive, which is WP interactive, and then we will see WP on directive. So if you are new to this video, I would recommend to start watching this video from the beginning, from this playlist. Otherwise continue watching. So this is my WordPress site. This is the interactive block I made in my previous video. So we will continue working with this block. So I'm gonna open the block in the VS Code, and this is the block. So I'm gonna start npm. So let's open this and let me set nvm and then npm start. So now our npm is running. I'm gonna open the render.php and I will copy this as a backup, and then I'm gonna remove this whole code which we got from the default npx command for making interactive block. So let's say this is my output for the block. This is my block, and I'm using render.php because that will be easy to understand, and once we understand everything, then I can explain how we can use save.js instead of render.php. So now let me go to post. I already created this post, BWP interactivity. So whatever we write in the render.php, that will render in the front side. So this is currently rendering this, whatever I wrote. Now let's see the WP interactive directive. So this directive activates the interactivity for the DOM element. So if we add that directive for this div, then anything under this div or all the child element will come under the interactivity. That means we can use all of this directive under those all child elements. So now let's add this directive over here. So you have to give the directive a name. Generally I would prefer whatever the block name is, that I generally set as a directive. Interactive directive. Now we gave this name over here. So in my previous video I showed you view.js. So here in the store, that should match to what we gave to this interactive directive. So whatever we add over here, that should go to here. Now our interactivity is enabled. Now I'm gonna add one more div, which is button. So this is a button. Now I want to add a click event for this button. So for that we can use this WP on directive. So that I can add something like this: data on click. Then click is an event, which means we are performing an action. Again, I have already explained what goes to action, what goes to callback, what goes to state in my previous video. So again, this is an action, so I'm gonna add actions over here and then callback. So when I click, I want to open a alert message. So let's say display alert. Okay, now this callback will go to actions section over here. So this is the actions, and I'm gonna say this, and let's make an alert. I am clicked. Now let's go to the front side, and now let's click on this. So we can see this alert message over here. I'm not sure in this video it captured alert or not, but it is displaying an alert. Now this is happening because this button comes under this interactive directive. So if I don't add this over here, then this won't work. So if we click on this, if we refresh now, if I click, nothing happens, and I think it will throw an error in the console maybe. Let's see. No, but interactivity is not working anymore. So this is why data WP interactive directive is so important. This enables interactivity through each child elements. So now again, if we click, the click will work. So this is how this WP interactive and WP on directive works. In later video, we will go through all of other directives, but for this video, this is enough. So yeah, if you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Somnath, Har Har Mahadev.